Today's topic is a game changer. We're diving into 6 things every smart man should never do with women, all rooted in the profound principles of Stoic philosophy. So, if you're ready to embrace a mindset that not only withstands the tests of life, but also empowers you in love and relationships, stick around. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. 1. Guard your past. Your past is part of your story, but not everyone needs to know the whole book. Sharing too much too soon can leave you vulnerable to judgment or manipulation. Nietzsche said, "The past is not dead. It's not even past. Your experiences shape you, but they're yours to share, selectively. Be wise about what you reveal. Protect your resilience and let it serve as your quiet strength, not a tale for everyone's ears." 2. Don't fear being alone. Let's face it, many people make relationship decisions based on the fear of being alone. But as Aristotle wisely put it, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Embrace solitude as an opportunity to know and grow yourself. Being alone isn't the same as being lonely. Choose relationships that complement your life, not ones you settle for out of fear. Trust me, confidence in solitude is magnetic. 3. Value your time. Seneca's advice rings true. It's not that life is short, but that we waste much of it. Your time is your most precious resource. Don't squander it on people who don't value it. Prioritize activities that align with your goals and bring you joy. Balance is key. Make sure your time reflects what truly matters to you. 4. Be authentically you. Albert Camus put it perfectly. Don't walk through life in someone else's shoes. Living to please others is exhausting and unfulfilling. Learn to say no to things that don't align with your values. Be unapologetically yourself, and let your authenticity attract the right people into your life. 5. Stay true to your path. Seneca once warned against being everywhere at once, saying, "If you're everywhere, you're nowhere." Don't lose yourself by trying to fit into someone else's vision of who you should be. Stick to your goals and values. The right partner will respect and support your journey, not derail it. 6. Don't lose yourself in obsession. Marcus Aurelius warned against losing balance through obsession. When you put someone on a pedestal, you risk losing sight of your own worth. Relationships should enhance your life, not consume it. Keep your goals and individuality in focus. You're the protagonist of your own story. Don't let anyone dim your light. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on how Stoic wisdom can transform your approach to relationships. Remember, these principles aren't rigid rules. They're tools to help you build a life filled with purpose, resilience, and meaningful connections. If you found value in this, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more insights on life, love, and stoicism.